So hey riders, welcome back to a new video. So today is a video where we're going to modify the BMW GS 310. That's a full name, no?
Yeah.
So yeah guys, so it's an adventure bike, so we thought we'll get a few crash guards and all that for the bike. And many of the parts are not available in that Bikers Lab. This is a place where we have come for Bikers Lab, which is on the Maratali road. So they have only a few parts, so we're getting a few of them fixed. And I think in the future we'll be fixing the top box and the visor and all.
Yeah.
So for now we're just getting the crash guards and the radiator guard and all that. I'll show you those in the montages. The shop is very noisy right now, so I just thought we are coming for lunch anyway, so we'll start the intro over here. So hope you guys enjoy the video and peace. So guys, we just came back home from Bikers Lab and the place wasn't that great guys. There were a few problems, they kept a few parts for the bike like the crash guard and all, and the crash guard and all should be fixed in the middle in a proper format, but it was all in a different way. It was not even getting connected in a few places, and they were just this is the way it is done and all. They were not proper with the way they fixed the accessories, and the pricing also wasn't that cheap guys. It was a proper pricing only, as much as it is in the websites and all. It's an aftermarket part, so we expected it to be a little more cheaper, but it wasn't. And as you guys know, the BMW Motorrad showrooms, the company's crash guards and all are skyrockets guys, the prices. I think a crash guard, apparently just one crash guard will be around 30k. So it's a lot for a crash guard. So if you get it aftermarket outside, it should be priced a little less, but it wasn't that cheap, and the quality of the work also, the way they fixed it also wasn't that great. So I think tomorrow I'll be, and we also didn't get a top box guys. I called him a day before to ask him if all the parts, whatever we want, were there, and he didn't have all the parts the visor and the top box. And he was apparently, they were thinking of drilling the top box into that thing at the back side, the panel. So we told we didn't want it. So I think tomorrow we'll go to another shop for getting the top box, and we'll order the visor online. So yeah guys, so yeah, we'll get back to you guys as soon as we get the top box fixed. Peace.
Great to do good.
Huh? So hey riders, this is the very next day. So we're going to this place called 2K Isle of Man or something. That one and what is the other, Hyper Rider are together. Shops are both right next to each other. So we're heading towards there right now for getting the top box, as we didn't get the top box yesterday. So as soon as so we called this guy, the Hyper Rider. So they told us that they have a top box. The model name is I think SHAD 42 or something. So we sent Uday. So I'm heading there right now. So as soon as we reach there, I'll let you know how the experience is. As yesterday the experience wasn't that great. The people didn't take good care of the bike, and the parts are a little differently fixed. They are not fixed in a proper way. We can hear a little vibrations and all. So hopefully today at least the experience with that new bike accessory shop will be better. So the shop is near MG Road. So we're heading towards MG Road right now, and I'll just catch you guys back as soon as we reach MG Road. So hey guys, we didn't get the top box yesterday in that other shop, the Bikers Lab. So we have come to another place near MG Road called 6K Isle of Man and Hyper Ride is the right next to each, right above each other. You could say one is in the ground floor, one is in the second floor. So yeah guys, the place is beautiful. They have a lot of stuff. So we were searching for top boxes yesterday whole day and we couldn't get it. So today we thought we'll get it. So we'll come here today. And guys are fixing the stuff really fast, and I'm really happy that we came here because the other place didn't have the top box and they're literally like, we'll drill it in the thing at the back and all, so we didn't want it. So we're getting it over here. And guys, I'll just show you a few montages of the place and hope you guys enjoy it. And I'll just keep the location for both the places wherever we have gone down below. And as soon as I reach back home, I'll give you the pricing of each thing, so you guys can see and you can go there if you guys even want to get some parts fixed to your bike. And these guys have a lot of parts for Duke 390, the Adventure 390, the Domina. They have like the whole set and the prices are really good. I'll just show you a few montages and you guys can just check it out. Peace. So guys, this is the complete new look for the bike. As you guys can see, with the crash guard and the top box and all, it looks like a huge bike. Even when we're riding, we can't fit through traffic and all. So guys, today we got this thing fixed, the top box. It's from the company called Shad and the model name is Shad 42, and it's a 42 liter capacity top box, and you can properly fit two fully faced helmets aram se with no problem at all. So it's even easier for me when we go for touring nowadays.
Yeah,
so yeah
it
guys,
costed like 8k.
yeah, it's 8,000 rupees, the top box. So yeah guys, and the rest, everything else we got fit in that other Biker Lab shop itself. So guys, the engine guard and crash guard are two separate things. So guys, the engine guard costed us around
10k and the crash guard was like 8k, I guess.
yeah, so both together was 18,000.
18,000.
And then we got the radiator guard, and radiator guard was
3.5.
okay, the radiator guard was 3.5, and then these were
3, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah.
and the lever protectors were I think 3k. 3.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
we got for good
Yeah.
price.
And guys, we ordered the visor because we didn't get it anywhere else. So the visor we ordered it on Amazon, and I'll keep the link down below in the description. And
It costed around 4k.
and the visor was around 4k. And I think those are all the modifications.
The
which we were-
thing, what is that thing called?
which were-
The under the engine thing.
Yeah, the sump, the engine guard underneath is about how much?
7.5.
Yeah, so yeah, that costed us like a big load. It's just a small piece, but it's completely metal. So yeah, we completely understand it.
protects.
So yeah, guys, I'll just keep a few montage videos so you can just look into the bike. And
The
I'll
main thing. Phone
and
holder.
we got a small phone holder also. Jugaad one, you already broke that plastic seal at
I
the
didn't
back.
break it, okay.
Yeah, so totally I'll just keep the total price around here so you guys can see, and I'll keep all the locations wherever we bought the stuff in the description down below. And yeah, hope you guys like the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also I'll keep a small post-credit scene to show you what exactly happened after we got it fixed. Peace.
Saying that it feels right.